On this episode of DeWalt Flexvolt Tool Repairs, we're going to show you how simple it is to install a new blade on a DCS577 cordless circular saw. First, we'll talk a little about the saw, and then we'll show you how this blade goes on. Introduced in 2016, DeWalt's new Flexvolt tools are changing the way that we look at cordless power tools. Surprisingly able to power through cuts that even corded circular saws might struggle with, you'll definitely be going through more blades than you'd expect as you keep reaching for your Flexvolt over corded alternatives. The blades for Flexvolt saws are designed for maximum runtime, meaning they encounter less resistance when cutting. And like most worm drive saws, they have a diamond-shaped arbor hole. You'll definitely notice a difference between a traditional blade and a Flexvolt blade, so the first step when replacing your blade is to check that it's compatible with whatever saw it's going on. In this case, I have a DeWalt Flexvolt blade. It has this diamond-shaped arbor, and this is actually the one that came with the saw. DeWalt included a wrench that installs in the body of the saw right here. We're going to pull this out and use it to release the blade clamping screw. It's counter-threaded, so we'll turn it clockwise to loosen. Depress the spindle lock button and remove the screw. Using the lower blade guard retracting lever, retract the lower blade guard. You'll want to make sure that it moves freely here without coming into contact with the blade, the foot plate, or any other part of the saw. Remove the outer blade washer and place the blade on the saw spindle against the inner clamp washer, making sure the blade will rotate in the proper direction, the direction of the arrow on the lower blade guard. The printing on the blade may not always be facing you when properly installed. Replace the clamp washer and screw. Clean out any sawdust that may have accumulated in the guard or clamp washer area. And that's it! You're ready to rock and roll. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your woodworking projects. See you next time.